And good morning, boys and girls. This is your old pal Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. And this grew out of my pot. If you kind of notice, okay, let's get a good close up look. Okay, that's rosemary, I think. My memory's going. Anyway, let's go see what my bedding plant's doing. I've been planting, so I can't see the screen. The sun's in the way. I hope you like this, Lily, in the while. Colin's been busy. I've been planting. Got my little seedlings going. Yep. Now, a lot of you wonder why Uncle Alan always talked about container gardening. And I have little containers. I reuse them from the landscape area or gardening center to get plenty of old pots. I like the 1 gallon kind. And there's my basil. My soil bucket that I mix up my soils. And right there, folks, if you notice, that's my green onions that I grew from choppings. And those are my plants that I grew. I can't remember what the hell they were. Uh, it starts with a R. Rhubarb. I got 2 kinds of rhubarb. A lot of people look at me, why does Uncle Alan grow rhubarb in pots? It's an easy plant to grow. Okay, folks, I'll catch you later. Trying to figure out where the button is.